personal guide to green giant arborvitae. As a passionate gardener and landscape enthusiast, I have found immense joy and satisfaction in cultivating green giant arborvitae. This resilient and versatile evergreen tree has become a staple in my garden, offering privacy, beauty, and a touch of nature's splendor. Here's a comprehensive guide based on my experience with these magnificent trees. How far apart to plant green giant arborvitae? One of the first questions I pondered when I started planting green giant arborvitae was the spacing. These trees can grow quite large, so proper spacing is crucial. I recommend planting them about 5 to 6 feet apart if you want a dense privacy screen. For a more spaced out look, 10 to 12 feet apart works well. This allows them to grow fully without overcrowding, ensuring healthy development and ample room for their expansive root systems. How to plant green giant arborvitae? Planting green giant arborvitae is relatively straightforward. First, choose a well-drained location with plenty of sunlight. Dig a hole twice as wide and just as deep as the root ball. Gently place the tree in the hole, making sure the top of the root ball is level with the ground. Fill the hole with soil, water thoroughly, and add mulch around the base to retain moisture and prevent weeds. When to plant green giant arborvitae? Timing is everything when it comes to planting green giant arborvitae. The best times are early spring or fall when temperatures are cooler, and the tree has time to establish roots before the extreme weather of summer or winter. I prefer planting in the fall, giving the trees ample time to settle in and get a good start before the growing season. How often to water green giant arborvitae? Proper watering is essential for the health of green giant arborvitae. During the first year, I water them deeply once a week, ensuring the soil remains consistently moist but not waterlogged. After the first year, they become more drought tolerant, but I still water them during prolonged dry spells to keep them vibrant and healthy. How fast does green giant arborvitae grow? One of the most impressive aspects of green giant arborvitae is its growth rate. In optimal conditions, these trees can grow up to 3 feet per year. I've been amazed at how quickly they've filled out my garden, providing a lush, green backdrop in a relatively short period. Their rapid growth makes them ideal for those looking to create a privacy screen or windbreak quickly. Can you trim green giant arborvitae? Trimming green giant arborvitae is not only possible, but also beneficial for maintaining their shape and promoting healthy growth. I usually trim mine in early spring before new growth starts. Using sharp pruning shears, I remove any dead or diseased branches and shape the tree as desired. This keeps them looking tidy and encourages fuller growth. How to prune green giant arborvitae? Pruning green giant arborvitae involves more detailed care than just trimming. For a more formal look, I prune them annually, focusing on maintaining a uniform shape. Start by removing any dead or crossing branches. Then, trim the sides and top to the desired shape, making sure not to cut back into old wood, as new growth only emerges from newer branches. When to fertilize green giant arborvitae? Fertilizing is key to ensuring the robust growth of green giant arborvitae. I fertilize mine in early spring using a balanced, slow-release fertilizer. This provides the necessary nutrients throughout the growing season. A second, lighter feeding in midsummer helps sustain their growth and keeps them looking lush. Can green giant arborvitae grow in shade? While green giant arborvitae prefers full sun, it can tolerate partial shade. However, I've noticed that those planted in shadier spots tend to grow more slowly and may not be as dense. For the best results, ensure they receive at least 4 to 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. Do deer eat green giant arborvitae? One of the many reasons I love green giant arborvitae is their resistance to deer. In my experience, deer tend to avoid these trees, making them a great choice for areas with high deer populations. This natural resistance helps maintain the integrity and appearance of the trees without the need for additional protective measures. Do green giant arborvitae turn brown in winter? It's natural to worry about your evergreens turning brown in winter. Thankfully, green giant arborvitae is quite hardy. While they may develop some browning in extreme cold or dry conditions, they generally retain their green color throughout the winter. To minimize browning, I ensure they're well watered before the ground freezes and apply a thick layer of mulch to protect the roots. How close to plant green giant arborvitae? When considering how close to plant green giant arborvitae to structures or other plants, I recommend keeping them at least 6 feet away from buildings and large trees. This ensures they have enough space to grow without interference and reduces the risk of damage to structures or competition for resources. How to care for green giant arborvitae. Caring for green giant arborvitae involves regular watering, especially during the first year, mulching to retain moisture and suppress weeds, and occasional fertilizing to promote growth. Pruning and trimming help maintain their shape and health, and monitoring for pests or diseases ensures they remain vibrant and strong. How to propagate green giant arborvitae. Propagating green giant arborvitae can be done through cuttings. In late spring or early summer, take a 6 to 8 inch cutting from a healthy tree. Remove the lower leaves, dip the cut end in rooting hormone, and plant it in a pot with well-draining soil. Keep the soil moist and place the pot in a location with indirect sunlight. With patience, the cutting will develop roots and can be transplanted into the garden. What to plant with green giant arborvitae? Green giant arborvitae pairs well with a variety of plants. I like to plant flowering shrubs like hydrangeas or azaleas nearby to add color and contrast. Perennials such as hostas and ferns thrive in the shade of these trees, creating a lush, layered look in the garden. Green giant arborvitae has truly transformed my garden into a green sanctuary. Their rapid growth, ease of care, and year-round beauty make them a valuable addition to any landscape. Whether you're looking to create privacy, add structure, or simply enjoy their natural beauty, green giant arborvitae is a fantastic choice.